Are you looking for the best budget treadmills for cardio at home? In this video we will look at some of the best budget treadmills for cardio at home on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Sunny Health and Fitness Active 400 Treadmill. Looking for a treadmill that gets the job done during cardio days? This pick from Sunny Health and Fitness checks every box. With a sturdy frame, auto incline, built-in metric tracking, no-fuss design, and an app with guided workouts, it keeps your workouts straightforward and stress-free. In fact, we found the lack of luxe add-ons made our treadmill sessions feel more focused and efficient. During testing, we loved using this tread for strength training warm-ups, long-distance runs, and relaxed strolls. We always felt stable and supported, never wobbly or overwhelmed by too many settings. While it is a little heavy out of the box, setup was surprisingly simple, and its foldable frame makes it easy to tuck away between workouts. The belt is on the narrower side, but that trade-off helps the treadmill stay compact, which is perfect if you're short on space. At number 2. NordicTrack T 6.5S Treadmill. NordicTrack has been a home gym staple for decades, and this treadmill proves why the brand's been trusted for so long. Our tester, who was rehabbing from ACL surgery during testing, found its smooth incline transitions and stable frame ideal for low-impact walk-run intervals, prescribed by her physical therapist. And the iFit integration made everyday indoor training runs a lot more fun. The downside? Getting it set up was a challenge. It's bulky, heavy, and took multiple people a few hours to assemble. But once it was in place, the tread was easy to use, supportive, and safe for steady runs, incline workouts, and more, and the treadmill also had wheels for portability. It's a versatile option that delivers performance and durability without a steep price tag. At number 3. Schwinn Fitness 810 Treadmill. Looking to increase your step count from home? This tread is a walker's dream. Our tester, who takes more than 5 long walks every week, found that it made it easier to hit her daily step count goals without braving cold San Francisco mornings. The cushioned belt adds comfort to long strolls, the frame feels sturdy, and the built-in tablet holder and fan make it easy to stream your fave shows and stay cool while working out. During testing, we noticed that the simple, intuitive controls and a variety of preset workouts kept things motivating without feeling overwhelming. While it wasn't super easy to assemble, an extra set of hands got the job done. And we also found it a little noisy at lower speeds, but overall, it was safe, stable, and enjoyable to use, whether for leisurely walks or light jogs. At number 4. Sperax Walking Vibration Pad. Thanks to walking pads like this one, getting 10,000 steps in during a busy workday is totally doable. On WFH days, or even in front of your favorite Netflix series, we won't tell, this ultra-portable pad makes it easy to stay moving. Our tester used it almost every day, finding it especially helpful for sneaking in steps while editing or watching TV. With a top speed of 3.8 miles per hour, it's only for walking, but that's all we really needed it for. We appreciate the lightweight design, which allowed our tester to easily carry it from room to room without effort and stash it under her bed when not in use. And the setup couldn't be easier, just plug it in, pop in the remote batteries, and you're good to go. While we didn't expect extra features like different incline options, this pad doubles as a vibration plate, which our tester said even helped reduce her lower back stiffness. At number 5. Sunny Health and Fitness Premium Manual Incline Folding Treadmill. Finding a treadmill for less than $500 that doesn't feel flimsy is tough, but this compact model proves it's possible. Using it for quick warm-ups before strength training sessions, we found it best for walking workouts, not running. We love the built-in step counter, calorie tracking, and Bluetooth app compatibility, which are nice bonuses at this price point. Plus, it folds up with a smooth, controlled release, making storage simple and safe. That said, this budget pick comes with trade-offs. Speed transitions felt jerky, and the control panel wasn't very intuitive. Manual incline adjustments are also inconvenient, and we felt like the abrupt stop at the end of a session could be unsafe for inexperienced users. Still, if you want a treadmill for walking or super light jogging, this option is hard to beat for the price.